How to fix Counter-Strike 1.6 black screen problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about fixing the Counter-Strike 1.6 black screen problem. So let's get started. So in order to resolve the black screen issues in Counter-Strike, you have to follow the simple steps. You have to click on the search bar and type in Device Manager. Then open the Device Manager and select Display Adapters. Right-click on your display adapter and choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically for the drivers. Wait for the installation to complete and then click on Close. If the issue persists, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down to view your current resolution, in which mine is set to 1920 in 2080, so you can also adjust it accordingly. Close the window, then click on the search bar and type in regedit in order to open the registry editor. Navigate to HKey current user, followed by software, then go to Valve, then Half-Life and click on settings. Right click on the screen width and select modify and change the value to your desired resolution and click on OK. Repeat the same process for the screen height, adjusting it to match your resolution, and close the window and launch Counter-Strike to see the issue resolved. So this was all about it. This is how you can easily fix the Counter-Strike 1.6 black screen problem. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.